Today I will be using a Haimer and a V-block to set my G54 on my Y and my X. You're gonna go MDI handle jog, and you're gonna go negative, which brings it down. All right, just like that. Now, when you get closer, you're gonna move it down to 0.001. So right here, you see it. Now I'm gonna change it. Coming down slow. So now I'm gonna change it to the Y, which is gonna bring it to me. See how I have it slow? I'm bringing it to the edge. I'm gonna go over just a little bit on the X. Right there. Put it back on the Y, and you're going negative because you're going towards your part. Right? And you're gonna make sure when you're using your Haimer that the zeros all match from here to here. This is your breaking point in the red, which is a good safety feature. So right there, G54, I'm gonna go in offsets, work. I'm in my Y. So vertical is Y, horizontal is X. And I'm gonna press part 0 set, and you'll see the figure change on the Y axis. Right there, it has now changed. Press that, and it's changed. Now I'm gonna do my X. So I'm gonna move over. Go on my Y. Down. Go up in my Z. Slightly. X again. Now I'm touching on the corner. There you go. All right, once you're good there, you're gonna go in offset, work, G54 and your X axis. You're gonna press part 0 set, and you'll see the figure change. There you have it. G54 is now set for your part. All right, so I'm using a V-block to set my G54Z. And the reason why I'm doing that is in the event that if you set your tools off of here and they break, you won't know the height of your part because the tool broke and maybe the next tool you're using is shorter than the one previous. So using the V-block, I'm gonna go down on it, Z, right? You're an operator, Z, and you're gonna press origin. Now that is 0. You're gonna come up, and then you're gonna go on your part. Now that you've set your Haimer on top of your part after using the V-block, you're going to take this number that's in your operator and put that in your G54Z. That number is going to be 2.7640. And then you're going to press F1 to change it. Yes. Now that offset has moved all of your tools from the top of the V-block to the top of your part. All right, I'm going to show y'all how to set your tool off your V-block. So you see where the end of my tool is to the V block. I'm gonna go down just slightly to where this touches right here. See that? Now I'm gonna go up. See how it's still touching? Keep going up. Keep going up. See how it's sliding freely? So I'm gonna go back down just to show y'all. I went down one click, still good. I'm gonna go down one more click. Still good. Down one more click. Still good. One more click. Still good. Right there, it stopped. So that means I have to go up one click. Now my tool is set. You're gonna go in. This is tool 4 for me. I'm gonna press tool offset measure, and you'll see the figure change. Greater than setting 142? Yes, it is. Now my tool 4 is set. For the Z, go positive, and you're good. Now you're probably wondering, why didn't I just have it come all the way down and touch the V block? Well, if you do that, you run the risk of breaking your tool off on the V block. So this method is one of the safer methods.